Well, Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department, partnering with numerous businesses throughout Fairfax County, we're basically collecting school supplies, putting them in backpacks, and we're going to distribute them to about 65 to 70 schools, shelters, and nonprofits throughout Fairfax County and some other jurisdictions in the metropolitan area. Well, a lot of these kids, if they don't have the tools to succeed, how will they succeed? You know, I mean, if you're going to school and you don't have your pencils, your paper, your pens, your scissors, your crayons, and you're sitting next to someone that does have that, how do you feel? You know, so the thing is, we started years ago, we wanted these kids to have some self-esteem when they show up to school, having all the tools, the supplies they need to get the job done. We say we can't promise you that they'll do their schoolwork all year round, but we can promise that they're going to start out because they're going to go to school and be like everybody else. Brand new backpack with all brand new school supplies. Last year we did close to 2,000 backpacks with school supplies. This year we're going to do around 2,400, and we constantly need them. This year we have more schools and nonprofits than ever that's asking for help. And a lot of folks want to donate supplies. Mainly we take monetary donations. The reason being, we go to Office Depot, Walmart, they give us a real nice discount because we're buying everything in bulk. In October, we have a coat drive where we're hopefully going to get out 2,500 to 3,000 brand new kids' coats. This year, one of the good things about it is these coats are going to be made in America. They were made specifically for us to give to the kids because we know they got a backpack, but if it's cold outside and they don't have a coat to go to the bus stop, the backpack isn't doing them any good if they can't go to the bus and go to school. Oh, we'd like to thank everybody that came out today. If you can look behind me, you can tell we have a lot of volunteers. Some of the firefighters that got off this morning, been up for 24 hours, they stayed back to help out. We had firefighters that were on their break. They're here helping out. We got folks from the business community from all over Fairfax County here helping out. I like to just say thanks to them because without them, this wouldn't exist. You know, they see the patch on my shoulder, they think it's Fairfax County, but without our community, our business, this wouldn't happen. If you want to donate or give, you can go to Fairfax County's website and go to the fire department, and a lot of information is on there. Or you can contact me, willie.bailey@fairfaxcounty.gov, or you can call me at 571-641-0036.